Welcome. In this video, I will tell you how many RAM slots Dell Chromebook 3400 has. So, generally speaking, this laptop doesn't have any RAM slots. The RAM memory is built in and it's not upgradable. Now this laptop itself comes in two different configurations. The one with 4 GB of RAM memory, the other one with 8 GB of RAM memory. This particular one with 4 GB of memory, and I cannot upgrade it to 8 because no Chromebooks since I think like 2015 have an upgradable RAM or SSD. And you can easily check the amount of your RAM memory by going to Settings, About Chrome OS, Diagnostics, and here at the very bottom of the System tab, you'll find memory info, and you'll also be able to perform the memory test. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.